Hello my friends, welcome back. Today you guys, I'm going to do a full face of Drugstore makeup from Essence. So if it's your first time here, welcome. And I just want to greet you and thank you so much for stopping by my channel. So I have two eyeshadow in my hand today. I have the Will Go On, my Rose, which is this one here from Essence. It's an eyeshadow that is a natural color. I don't know if I'm gonna use that because that one hasn't pulled. And I also have this one here, which is Carol Me Magic. So this is the one that I am going to use today on the eyes. So let's start off by applying some of this color to my lid and every part of my eyes, so this is what I'm using on my eyes here. So this concealer is also from Essence, you guys, and I like to use a concealer to clean up and also lift my eyes where I do apply this product. From here. This is also from Essence. Okay, guys. So I did a budget-friendly makeup look today, and all the makeup that I use, except for two that I'm gonna show you, is from Essence. So first, I go in with the Essence concealer here. I use this e.l.f. um corrector. This is what I use as a corrector because I have one from Essence, but I couldn't put my hand on it, so this is what I use from e.l.f. Now I go in with their concealer, and this is the Camouflage Matte Concealer. This is what I use under my eyes with the corrector. Okay, so for my eyes today, I use Coral Me Magic, and this is an eyeshadow from Essence, and these are very affordable. So I use this as my color for my eyes, and also as a highlighter for my cheek, and a little bit of this on my nose. This is what I use. So then I apply this, and this is the Magic Filter Glowing Booster from Essence. This is what I use, and I also add some of this to it, which is the drop of a bronzing. So I use a little bit of this, and I use this before, and then I apply a little bit of this to my cheek also, to give me some warmth in my cheek. But this is what I use on my face both today. So let's talk about blushes. I use this blush as a liquid blush, and then I add a powder blush to it. So for mascara, I use this also from Essence. Everything that I'm showing you, except for two things, is from Essence. So this is also from Essence. Now I go in with two powder, and first I use the brightening banana powder from Essence under my eyes. And you know, I really like these powder because after using them, I don't really get any fine lines under my eyes. And then I use the Essence Flawless Skin Trio Loose Setting Powder over my face, which is a little bit pinky, but because my skin tone, it does match me. So I also use this on my eyes, which this is the second product that I use. Is not from Essence. This is from the Beauty Supply, but I wanted to line my upper eyes. For my lips, I use this pencil from Essence, and I also use this also. I use this, and then I add these one to it. So this is what I use on my lip from Essence today. And then I go in with this contour stick from Essence. So we have a contour part, and it also have like a high concealer part. So this is the concealer part, and this is the contour part. So this is what I use today on my makeup look from the drugstore. And I just want to say thank you so much, you guys. You don't have to break the bank to get a really nice bright makeup look. You can go affordable if you want. It's been a while I haven't go expensive for makeup, and I'm still wearing makeup. I like sometimes to go more on a budget. So this is what my budget friendly makeup look for the day. So I just want to say God bless you. Stay beautiful as always. Take care of yourself. Remember to show kindness to someone out there that need it. And I will see you in my next upload. Bye for now.